Here's a little update with the turbo. As you can see, I got it reassembled with the brand new cartridge, which is this middle portion here. Now you can see the back of it, and it's got a brand new turbine there. And when I want to go ahead and turn the compressor wheel, you can see that the turbine is now turning. Unlike before, where the shaft was broken and it did not turn, I went ahead and I cleaned out the compressor housing very well. Got all the oil and crud that was in there. Again, this is brand new there. And so we got that all set up there. And I also got a brand new gasket here for the oil return tube. This is the turbo that sits on the rear of the engine, or if you're in the United States, this is the driver's side. Mounts like this onto the head, and you have the down pipe which goes down from there. So there's that part there.